Laki ng aeroplano. Oh.
Athena, that's Popo!
Sabi mo, a clay! A clay!
A Popo, a clay Popo!
No, that's not a clay poo-poo! Clay poo-poo!
That's clay Popo! With ear!
A shark of a fish shark.
Caleb, what's that?
Nagpupulas eh.
namin para fair, ha? On your marks, get set, go! Okay. Ito halatang uhaw na uhaw. Okay. Medyo kinabag, no? Mabilis-bilis din to. You may sit down. You may sit down. Okay. Okay, ito mukhang makakaupo itong si Sam. Sam, you may sit down. Last. Okay, ready? Here we go. Round 1, 3.
Hello. Hello, everyone. First of all, congratulations to both of you. And I cannot say much about Wilson, but I can just say that it seems that he is very responsible and very gentleman. And I just want to address this to you. Nung nag-i-speech, when Tin was delivering her vow, I can feel that she prepared it with love and emotion and dedication, with much feeling. Kasi as I listen to the words, I can feel kung ganong ka devotion din yung wife ko sa akin. Parang ako, nararamdaman ko. So I can feel that you are very lucky guy. Kasi hanggang ngayon, yung misis ko, ganun pa rin since we were together. So, it's up to you how you will return it. I hope you will give him what we call this. You will return what the love of Tintin to you. So you are a very lucky guy. So with Tintin, she has been. Her mother died when she was still very young. Very, very young. I think mga 7 years old pa lang. So I can feel her, it's really very hard to express. Then, lately or a few years after her mother passed away, her father died. So she was orphaned for a very young age. Since then, I hope parang nakalimutan na niya siguro yung words na mommy at saka daddy. Kasi lahat ng mga kaharap niya, tito and tita lang eh. But tonight, after this celebration, meron ka na uling mommy at saka daddy. So, yun naman ang pagbabago sa buhay mo. So I congratulate you na meron ka na namang mommy and daddy. You can learn how to call that word again. I have a short message here. Medyo serious to. Kasi this was prepared by me and your ate Acho. Yung bang boss natin yun, di ba? So, I want to read it to you. Tintin, ito yung description niya, no? Tintin is like one of our daughters. Ito yung akin to eh. When both her parents passed, we tried to make sure her parents' wish come true. That wish was for her to finish her education. In her schooling years, this is when we got to know Tintin. From public school, she moved to a Catholic private school in Cabanatuan. then to a private college school here in Manila. With a lot of adjustment, she encountered challenges, but she stayed focused and dedicated for her education, which show her determination and resilience to change. During the time Tintin worked for our company, she also showed her dedication at work. She was very disciplined to go work every day, and she always kept our interest in mind. Kasi kamag-anak nga namin, malaki ang malasakit. In the family, Tintin can be stubborn, but we know she has a lot of love and care to give. Now that she has gained a new family and starting a family of her own, we always pray for the best for her and to you, Wilson. We will always be here for Tintin and Wilson. Congratulations and enjoy this special night. Thank you so much.
Yeah, I have a short message. Team, today is very special day, and I am honored to stand here as the mother of the bride. Team, I have watched her grow into the beautiful, kind, and strong woman she is. Today, seeing her now so happy, standing beside the man she really loves. You are the first man na in-introduce sa akin. So you pass for everything. She really loves you very much, Wilson. So, no comment. To Wilson, thank you for loving and cherishing her. I trust that you will take care of each other through life's ups and downs. May your marriage filled with love, respect, and endless happiness. Welcome to our family, Wilson. We love you, and we will take care of you. Congratulations and blessings.
Thank you so much, Tita and Tita. Of course, from the side of Wilson, we're going to call on his parents. Let's call on Tita Wilson Lim and Tita Elizabeth.
Although mabilisan, nabigay namin yung gusto nilang breakfast. Oo. Ate Angie and Kuya Bon. Okay, we love him. Meron, kami siguro pinadala bago niyang mama at papa. Tears of joy naman po ito. Pangalawa na naming wedding to eh. Kaya lang, yung pamilya po namin, medyo iyakin. Sabi ko nga, masaya, malungkot, may luha. Pero, tears of joy po ito. Tutin, makakaasa ka. Buong Lim family will love you. Mahal-mahal ka namin. Kami, ni Wilson, kung sinong mahal ng anak namin, yun ang importante. Yun ang mahalaga sa amin. Kasi, sabi ko nga, doon ko iiwan yung anak ko. Kaya kung sino ang mahal ng anak ko, yun ang tatanggapin ko. Mahal na mahal ka ni Shoti. Alam mo, simpleng wedding lang nung una. Sabi namin, ito rin lang naman, isa lang din naman ito doon na ninyo. Kasi ganito lang kami may chance makasama-sama. Thank you sa lahat ng pumunta, sa lahat ng naggayak na bumiyahe pa ng malayo. Thank you so much. Ang masasabi ko lang sa Evangelista at saka sa Ilagan family, Tintin is in good hands. Mahal na mahal namin siya. Sa aking family na very supportive, sa aking mga in-laws, sa aking sister-in-law, kay Grace, si Powa, ang spoiled siya ng pamangkin. Parati niya sasabihin, dalawa lang yan. Sa aking pilas na si Chi, tsaka si Anya, kahit may biyahe sila ng madaling araw, sabi ko, mamamanhikan ako. Sabi ko, kukunti lang kami dito, pero nandito sila sa amin. Sa kapatid ko na nanggaling pa sa New York, thank you. Sister-in-law ko, bumiyay ng 24 hours, thank you. Sa aking 10P family, thank you. Sa aking Buddha Phil family, sa lahat na nandito kong pamilya, maraming salamat. Kasi every time na meron kaming family gathering, nandyan kayo. Thank you so much sa lahat na nagpunta today.
I'm going to ask you to take your mom to the dance floor for a very special mother and son dance.
For every dream you made come true, for all the love I found in you, I'll be for everything, baby. You're the one who held me up and never let me fall. Time and again, I would remember you, and in my dreams, I could still see you. No one could ever truly take your place in my heart, my first man in my life. I learned everything, yes, most everything from you. We fought battles together, many we won, and laughed each time we lost. Oh, I miss you, my first man in my life. I know you're one.
Give them a big round of applause, guys. Ayoko medyo stress dito. So natin relax lang tayo. Okay, good sir, good evening. Name?
JP.
And
Winnie.
status?
Married.
How long? Patay. Ito na yung nasabi ko eh.
3 years.
3 years. 2 things you love about your wife after 3 years.
Caring.
Caring.
Nangaaway lagi.
Caring, tsaka lagi kayo inaaway. 2 things you love about your husband.
Same. Carrie.
And
Alaga.
Malaga. Answer the question. What is the secret to a long and lasting relationship?
Communication.
Communication. Communication is key. Next. Good evening, names.
Wendy.
Wendy and
Chris.
status.
Partners.
Boyfriend, girlfriend. Okay. Kala ko parang no label, gano'n, di ba? You know, okay. How long have you guys been partners?
6 years.
Palakpakan natin 6 years. That's a long time. Ma-pressure ka konti, no? Okay. 2 things you love about your partner.
Understanding it.
Understanding and patient. Alright, 2 things.
He's smart and strong, independent woman.
Smart and strong. Okay, sige. Secret to a long and lasting relationship.
I'm always right.
You're always, boom! Okay, you're always right. Okay, last but not the least, names.
William,
William N.
Pia.
Status.
Mary.
How long?
almost 3 years.
Almost 3 years. Okay, 2 things you know about your wife.
She's thoughtful and
Thoughtful.
yep, and she likes working together all the time.
Wala masyadong kwenta yun, pero sige. Likes working together. Okay. Okay. Two qualities.
About William. Loving and patient.
Loving and patient. What is the secret to a long and lasting relationship?
She's always right.
She is always right. Okay, guys, please have a seat back to back. So sit behind. If the question refers to you, please raise your right shoe. No? If it refers to your partner, basta, pag ikaw yung tinutukoy, raise your right shoe. So make sure tatanggalin muna natin yung right shoe natin. Okay, hawakan nyo na. Hold your right shoe, ladies. Hold your right shoe. Question number 1. Who made the first move? Go! Paano ba na anong klase? Ba't parang kalahati lang? Hindi ba kayo sigurado? Okay. Okay, so pantay lahat ng boys. Okay. Question number 2. Wait for me to say go, alright? Question number 2. Who said, I love you first? Go! Okay, madali pa to. Easy round. Question number 3. Who is a better cook? Who is a better cook? Okay, so far, pasok pa rin lahat. Eto, shoes down. Who takes longer to get ready? Go! Okay, so far, pasok pa rin. Looks like you guys know each other very well. Eto, hirapan natin ng konti. Who is more likely to start an argument? Go! Sino mahilig makipag-away? Huwag na tayo magulat. Alam naman natin, diba? Okay, next question. Who is more romantic? Go! Mas romantic. Hoy! Hoy! Mukhang may isang ma-eliminate tayo. Guys, pareho kayo nagtaas. Which is good, at least pareho kayo romantic. I'm sorry, you guys have to sit down. We're left with 2 couples. Okay, you guys. So if one gets eliminated, automatic the other couple win. To get lost. Sino mas madalas mawala? Go! Who is more likely to get lost? Go! Parang napilitan ka, parang... Go na. No coaching dapat. No coaching. Okay. Sige, next question. Who spends more money? Go! Sino mas magastos?
Aba?
No coaching. No coaching.
Aba?
Ano to? Guys, answer. Sino mas magastos? Walang paano to? Walang sumasagot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Ano mo umamin?
Okay. O, sige. Kailangan sabay. Pagka-go, kailangan itong... Pag kayo pag nag-aaway kayo, sino una nagsusorry? Go! Okay. Guys, I'm sorry. Eliminated kayo. We have a winner. Congratulations. Obviously, you know each other very, very well. You also get an Hermes gift pack. Worth, nabuksan mo na yung sa'yo, di ba? Worth 60,000 pesos. Ano, keychain pa lang yun? My God.
For being here with us today. Alam namin marami sa inyo ang may kanya-kanyang schedules. May mga nag-adjust pa ng plano. May mga bumiyahe pa mula probinsya at meron din lumipad. all the way from abroad. Yet, you still made time. Kahit short notice lang. Sobra po namin na-appreciate ito, and we are truly grateful. To our beloved family, thank you for your love, support, and guidance. And to Mama Beth and Papa Wilson and Ate Wendy, from day one of planning hanggang sa huling detalye ngayong araw, you've been with us all the way. Your guidance, patience, and love made all of this possible, and we are forever grateful. To our friends, ninongs and ninangs, and everyone who made this day beautiful and unforgettable, thank you for being part of our love story. We are happy and honored to celebrate this milestone with all of you, and we can wait to make more beautiful memories together in another years ahead. Maraming salamat po, and let's enjoy the rest of the night. Thank you.
Wilson?
Yeah, thank you, everyone.
Wow, okay, wow. Talagang pinag-isipan, pare. Thank you so much, Wilson, and of course, let's give them a big round of applause.